On March 24th, Xfinity Mobile released updates to all of their cell phone plans. I'm going to cover them all in detail here, but basically what you need to know is the plans cost less, they have more data, and all the plans include at least some premium data. Before we go any further, as a quick caveat, you have to be an Xfinity Internet customer to take advantage of these deals. If you are, that's great. Let's jump in and learn more about these plans. The three plans are Xfinity Mobile Unlimited, Xfinity Mobile Unlimited Plus, and Xfinity Mobile by the Gig. Here's what we recommend for plan options. If you're the kind of person who doesn't need hotspot data and you don't use that much data month to month, then Xfinity Mobile Unlimited, the entry-level plan, is going to be a good option for you to consider. If you do want hotspot data, maybe if you travel to Mexico or Canada, we'll get into this, then Xfinity Mobile Unlimited Plus is going to be a better fit for you. And if you're the kind of person who uses less than 1 gigabyte a month of data, that is, if you're mostly using your phone to text or call, then the Xfinity Mobile by the Gig is going to be the better option for you. If you have more than one phone line on your plan, keep in mind that both of Xfinity Mobile's unlimited plans offer multi-line discounts, which means that as you add more lines to your plan, the cost of each additional line decreases. Just note that Xfinity Mobile's Buy the Gig plan does not come with multi-line discounts. Let's get started and dive deeper into each of these plans. Xfinity Mobile Unlimited. Xfinity Mobile Unlimited is a new and improved version of the plan that used to be called Xfinity Mobile Unlimited Intro. It costs $40 a month for one line, and it comes with 30 gigabytes of premium data. That is down from $45 per line per month from the old version, and up from only 20 gigabytes a month of data. So more data, less money, all sounds good so far. You also get unlimited 3G hotspot data. Now, the reason we still don't recommend this plan for people who like to use their phone as hotspots is that 3G speed is really slow, like it takes 19 seconds to load a web page slow. So you can use it in a pinch or maybe an emergency, but don't plan on using it for anything heavy duty. Like most unlimited plans, this one comes with unlimited talk and text too. You also get some travel perks. You get unlimited talk and text in Mexico and Canada, and you get some unlimited data. Just remember that your unlimited data in Mexico and Canada will be at very slow speeds of 256 kilobytes per second. For streaming, you can expect a baseline of standard definition quality, although if you have a 5G phone and you're on a 5G network, you might get better quality video. In short, if you don't need a lot of data and you don't use your phone as a hotspot very often, the Xfinity Mobile Unlimited plan could be a great option. Xfinity Mobile Unlimited Plus. Great, now what if you want more data? Good news is that Xfinity also upgraded its mid-tier plan, Xfinity Mobile Unlimited Plus. You still get 50 gigabytes of premium data, same as you did before, but now the plan includes 15 gigabytes of premium mobile hotspot data, up from only 5 gigabytes in the previous version of this plan. Price-wise, you can expect to pay $50 per month per line versus $55 in the old version of this plan. Compared to Unlimited, the entry-level plan we just talked about, Xfinity Mobile Unlimited Plus includes more premium data, hotspot data that you can use and actually enjoy, and it also includes 5 gigabytes of roaming premium data when you're in Mexico and Canada. You also get high-definition streaming. This is in addition, of course, to the unlimited talk and text that almost all unlimited data plans come with. The same caveats and restrictions do apply, just as with the entry-level unlimited plan. Once you're out of mobile data, hotspot data, and roaming data, your speeds will be slowed. To sum it up, if you use your phone as a mobile hotspot, if you think you might use more than 30 gigabytes of data in any given month, maybe if you travel frequently to Canada or Mexico, and if you like high-definition streaming, then Xfinity Mobile Unlimited Plus could be a great plan for you. Xfinity Mobile by the Gig. Xfinity Mobile also offers a Buy the Gig plan. This plan is their cheapest plan, but also their most restrictive. It's a really simple pricing model. You pay $20 per gigabyte of data that you use. Now, if you're the kind of person who really uses 1 gigabyte or less per month, that's great value. The problem is that as soon as you go over 1 gigabyte, even if it's just 1.1 gigabytes of data, you get charged for using 2 gigabytes. 2 gigabytes means you'll be paying $40 for that month of data. At that price point, it actually makes more sense for you to upgrade to the Xfinity Mobile Unlimited. For the same price, you get 30 gigabytes of premium data. The Buy the Gig plan can really work if you have the self-discipline to keep yourself under 1 gigabyte a month. After that point, it makes way more sense to switch to Xfinity's unlimited plan, which comes with 30 gigabytes of data for the same cost as using just 2 gigabytes of data on the Buy the Gig plan. What about Xfinity Mobile Unlimited Premium? As part of Xfinity Mobile's most recent plan update, they completely dropped what used to be their top tier plan, Xfinity Mobile Unlimited Premium. You might wonder why, and it's a simple answer. Xfinity Mobile Unlimited Plus offers all the same benefits at a lower price point. The bottom line. In short, Xfinity Mobile offers some of the best value plans, especially if you have more than one line on your cell phone plan. The only caveats to keep in mind are that first, you must be an Xfinity Internet customer to take advantage of these prices, and secondly, once you use up your premium data, your data will be slowed for the rest of the month. Hope you enjoyed this Xfinity Mobile plan update. Let us know in the comments which plan you think sounds like the best fit for you. And don't forget that if you want to stay up to date with the best cell phone deals, plan updates, and everything else going on in the wireless world, make sure to subscribe. And of course, if you want to find and compare cell phone plans, try our free unbiased plan finder in the video description. We'll sort through thousands of plan options to find the best deal for you. Are my hands acting weird? I'm kind of like forgetting what to do with my hands. When you say a word too many times and you kind of lose the meaning, I'm having that feeling with my hand. I'm like, do I do this with my hands? Price-wise, you can expect to pay just $50.
Hold on.
Is this still in frame?
Yep.
All the way out? I won't do it like this.
Not as much, but,
I'm on my mark, I promise.
yeah, we're rolling.
Okay. Did I roll my eyes too quickly, or is that we're still okay?